Hi, my name is Jeffrey, and I love payphones. I travel across all of LA in search of payphones and try them out. Thanks for coming along for the ride. You may be wondering why I'm holding a surfboard. It's because we are in Santa Monica. Our first payphone today is pretty nice. It works! It smells like gravy. It's worn, but largely unburned. Let's try it out. Hey, Sasha, it's your boyfriend, Jeffrey.
I told you to stop calling
What's
me.
the deal?
You gotta get some help. You're fucking lying.
Oh. You're probably wondering why I'm wearing a little sailor hat. It's because we're in San Pedro. Our next payphone is really pretty good. Great, it works. The number 6 is broken, but that's fine. Let's try this one out. I'm calling my agent, and luckily his number doesn't have a number 6 in it.
Hello, who is this?
Murray, things are going terribly. Please, you have to find me a job. I swear to God, I'll do anything.
Jeffrey.
I'm begging you.
You have to stop calling. I told you I would pay for you to go back to Alaska. And you should. You belong there.
Please. You told me. You may be wondering why I'm dressed formally. It's because we're in Beverly Hills. Ah, the payphone at Pico and Daniels is gone. I was gonna call my girlfriend again. What a shame. Maybe I'll just go over there. You may be wondering why I'm wearing these sweet shades. It's because I'm in Hollywood. Now this payphone's got a lot going on. This guy's been here 2 hours. Someone vomited on it. But I've seen worse.
To make a collect call, enter the number you wish to call. Area code first. Say your name after the tone.
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey? What is it?
Hi, Mom. I need to borrow some money.
I lent you $5,000 just the other day. I'm retired, Jeffrey. I just can't afford to support you anymore.
Cut it.
I can't stand to see you like
Come on,
this.
Mom. Come on, I'm your son. Want me to live in the street? Come on. I really love payphones so much. Tune in next week when we visit a lot of other great payphones all over LA, and maybe I can find that perfect payphone.